Hi, my name's Edward Cooper. I'm a senior lecturer in film and television here at the University of Cumbria. The course as a whole develops a whole range of different skills. So you've got very practical skills, skills which require technical knowledge, skills that students will also develop from a production perspective. So for example, this TV Studio Week, we set students into a number of different broad roles. So some were more technical, some were more production. Production coming up with ideas for content, story, and then technical is about those raw skills, camera, sound, lighting, as you can then see, and really getting to the fundamental basics of each of those skills. Students across the course will then move between both of those aspects. They'll ply their trade within, in this instance, television, also in documentary, also in short film, where we focus on even writing as well. So writing being a key part of both film and television. We get a number of people that will be coming to us that may not have had a grounding in some of those more technical skills, but they come with imagination and creativity, and that's absolutely fascinating once we then match that with some technical knowledge and we see them really fly, and that is absolutely massively rewarding, and that's why we do what we do.
Hi, my name's Harrison. I study film and TV at the University of Cumbria in Carlisle. Every tutor's different, they've got their own personality, their own takes. No one's afraid to talk up about it. If you've got an opinion, they're not going to put you down for it. If you've got a suggestion on how to change the project, they'll listen. And you get such a individualistic view on everything. Like, every project is its own thing. There's never anyone doing the same. There's never anyone copying each other. But if you need help, everyone's going to be there for you.
The film and television course is unique in a number of different ways. Firstly, we're primarily a practical-based course. We're a hands-on course. We also integrate our theory within a practical element. So the theoretical aspect is always there. For me, it is so rewarding to see students achieving their dreams, even over a course of a few days. You can see students then really reach for things and achievements that perhaps never thought they could aspire towards. And that's great. You see that development. It's wonderful.
I am Emilio Meffen. I studied at the University of Cumbria Brampton Road, and I studied my undergraduates in film and television. I wasn't planning on going into TV, and then I did this module that I'm helping on this week, and that kind of pushed me into TV a bit more. I decided that was my forte a little, and then I went on from there, refined my skills on these modules, and then went on to the NFTS. The uni is a great place to make mistakes and learn from it and hone your skills, hone your craft, and you do go on a journey. You find out not only like personally, but where you want to be creatively and specialism wise. So just embrace everything, get involved, and you will develop your craft, you will develop your skills and technique and aptitude, and once you got that, the world's your oyster.
We're incredibly friendly here at the University of Cumbria, but we're also really skilled and passionate about what we do. We expect a lot from our students, and for us, we are a challenging course, and we are a course that is seeking students who want to go on a journey and a set of students who want to really challenge themselves. We really value our students. We have strong long-term relationships with our students that last into the decades now, and those relationships are so strong that those students then come back and feed back into the system and help guide other students as well. If you're interested in film and television, why not join us for our next open day? We'd love to see you there.